Today on Happy Healthy Life, we're diving into the world of delicious and refreshing summer drinks, all under 100 calories. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with a lineup of thirst-quenching beverages that will keep you cool and hydrated all season long. First up, we have the Citrus Mint Cooler, a zesty blend of citrus fruits and fresh mint that will awaken your senses with every sip. Next, indulge in the Watermelon Basil Refresher, a sweet and herbaceous concoction that screams summer in a glass. Looking for something with a bit of a kick? Try the Cucumber Lime Sparkler, a crisp and invigorating drink that will leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. For a floral twist, sip on the Berry Hibiscus Iced Tea, a vibrant infusion of berries and hibiscus flowers that's as beautiful as it is tasty. Craving a taste of the tropics? The Pineapple Coconut Cooler is your go-to, blending the tropical flavors of pineapple and coconut into a creamy, dreamy delight. And last but not least, don't miss out on the Peach Ginger Iced Tea, a harmonious blend of sweet peaches and spicy ginger that's sure to become your new summer favorite. So join us in exploring these guilt-free summer sips that are not only delicious but also perfect for keeping you feeling your best during the hot months. Stay healthy, stay refreshed, and enjoy every sip of these delightful creations. Cheers to a happy and hydrated summer.